oatmeal, 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 oatmeal. Check out 52654. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Something big just happened. Who is eating my oatmeal? Yes, man, look, it hurts. Oh my gosh. Call 911. Call the police. Call the ambulance. Call the police. Things go wee. Call the hospital. Call everything. My mother. I mean, don't call my mother.